before it comes out again. And I adjusted my tension, like, okay, last side, come on. Did it come out? Yes, y'all. Let's try. I have one more side. So let's see. Okay. It sounded like it was about to mess up. Did y'all hear that? How many times have I tried? Like, have y'all been counting? Like, let's see if it's gonna work, because why is my sewing machine tripping? I just want to finish and it's not cooperating. So let's see if the new needle works. So the new needle work. Alright. Like, it be that simple. I removed the pocket and sewed this fabric on top that she got. And yeah, it's gonna be the bag. I don't know what I'm gonna do to the other side yet, but yeah, cute, real artsy, craftsy. So now I'm gonna sew the pocket on top. Now my sewing machine is saying error. I made it. And on the side where I started, I'm just gonna go back over that to make sure it's secured good on that side. It's kind of thick. Alright. So good. And it's sewn on, sewn on. I don't know, but look at it. It looks so good. Made another patch to go on the other side. The other side like this. Alright, so I'm gonna pin it